Then deep learning. So learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying CNN, RNN, LSTM, various techniques. Then followed by the augmented reality, virtual reality, various tools and techniques we are using. Then followed by the projects in my laboratory, data science research laboratory, we have executed nearly 120 projects. These all are projects. See, can you see projects? How many projects I have executed? Nearly 129 projects I have executed in my laboratory. So, what is the prerequisition of data science? Sir, I am a beginner of data science. I am a BCA student. I don't have knowledge. No problem. So, these are the prerequisition of data science. In statistics, at least you must have knowledge on inferential statistics, descriptive statistics. In mathematics, at least you need to have a linear algebra, calculus. Any one programming language, Excel, Python, R programming, structured query language, SQL. This is the prerequisition of data science. And this is my own prerequisition of data science. With my experience, I have created, this is my own chart. See here, what is meant by data? Data is a raw material, and data may be a fact or image, audio, video, text, graphics, animation. Anything can be a data. Once we have a data, we are processing the data by applying various tools and techniques. That is called information. Once you have information, we are creating database, collection of interrelated data, that is called database. To manage that database, we are using various softwares like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. Database management system. Then combination of data plus DBMS is called database system. Data mart, subset of a data warehousing, that is called data warehousing. We are storing huge volume of data in the server or system or data center. Once we are storing the data, huge volume of data, collection of data marts is called data warehousing. And that is also called as online analytical processing. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful data by applying classification, clustering, association rule mining techniques. Big data, it deals with the big data sets like three: volume, velocity, variety. Volume says that size of the data, variety says that different file formats, and velocity says that the speed and motion of the data. So the latest buzzword is data science. Data science is the process of extracting and extracting meaningful insights from the large amount of data by applying machine learning, statistical techniques, machine learning scientific methods. So this is a prerequisition of data science.